Hello everyone, we are looking at the question square root of x. Last video we solved it using the linear search approach that took the big of n time complexity. Today we are going to solve it using binary search algorithm that will take log n time complexity. So let us explain. Suppose we take 9 and we write all numbers from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. What happens when you binary search? We know that we keep a start pointer, we keep an end pointer, okay, and then we find out the middle option. Here, 9 plus 0 equal to 9 by 2 equal to 4. This becomes my middle element. We check for this middle element whether 4 into 4 is less than equal to 9 or not. We found this is not the case here. This is greater than 9. Therefore, we will not check in this portion. In linear search, we would have checked for this portion if it was not found in before this position. So in binary search, we save this time. What we will do is remove the end pointer before middle. Therefore, end will new end will come here, and this part will be kept separated. Now we will find out middle again. Therefore, 3 plus 0 is 3, 3 by 2 is 1. Now this element becomes the middle element. We find that 1 into 1 is less than or equal to 9. Therefore, 1 can be my answer. So we store it in a variable answer and move on. Now what we will do is we need not check for lower value than this, as all will be less than equal to only. 0 into 0 will be less than equal to 9 only, as 0 is less than 1. What we will do is move the start pointer after the middle element, after the current middle element, and discard this option also. But keep in mind that we already stored 1 as a potential answer. Now for these two elements, we will find the middle point, that is 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 5 by 2 is 2. This becomes the middle element. 2 into 2 is less than equal to 9. Therefore, this can also be my potential answer, and this is also greater than 1. Therefore, we will update the answer variable to 2. Okay. Now, we move the start pointer again, discarding this part. Now, this part is the start, the end, and therefore it will become the middle element. 3 into 3 is less than equal to 9. Actually, it is equal to 9. Therefore, we will have to update the answer variable again, and after this, if we update the start variable, it will move beyond end. Therefore, our binary search algorithm will terminate, keeping 3 as our final answer. I hope you understand the algorithm. Now let's code it. We need a start variable int start equal to 0, end equal to mm, x. Remember, this is not an array, so this is just a number. We take x as our end. What is the condition of binary search? While start less than equal to end. Therefore, whenever start will move beyond end, it will automatically terminate. Now what we'll have to do, we'll need to find the middle element. Let's take the middle element as long mid equal to start plus end minus start by 2. This is the actual formula for finding middle element in binary search. The simple one works also, but this works in every case. This will not lead to you any edge case. So remember to use this formula. Now we need to check if mid into mid is less than equal to x or not. If it is less than equal to x, first we need to take one variable as answer, int answer equal to -1. Let's take. Okay. Now if it becomes if mid into mid becomes less than equal to x, we need to store the middle element into answer first, and then we move to we move the start to middle plus 1. And if it is not the case, that means if mid into mid is greater than equal to x, what we are doing, we are putting n just before the middle element. Okay, this will run until the whether this is run until either start becomes the value of start goes beyond end, or and yes, that is the only case until which it will run. Now you will need to return the answer value. So let's run it and check. I mistakenly put two semicolons here. Remember, we put n equal to n minus 1. Now let's run it. This passed all the test cases, sample test cases. Now let's submit and check. Remember to put n minus 1. I put n equal to mid by mistake. So let's run it. Sample test cases have passed. Let's submit and check. So all the test cases have passed. So I hope you have understood the question. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe for more such content.